What's up, Fanbase family? It's Ron here for the June 6th edition of Fanbase Finance on a special day, Friday. Our normal day, as you know, is Thursdays at 9:30 a.m. Central Time. However, today we're doing a special edition and hope you're enjoying the conversation thus far. I'm going to give you today's business and finance updates for the week. So one, the S&P 500 in the month of May was up 6.2%. Marking the best month since November of 2023. So that's a good sign. The NASDAQ surged up actually 9.56%, driven by strong tech earnings. And then the Dow Jones gained in the month of May 3.94%, which is driven by some easing of the US and China trade tensions, which I'll go to next. So some of the economic and policy highlights for the week is the tariff truce, which is still going on, the 90-day reduction in tariffs between the United States and China, lowering the tariff on Chinese goods from 145% to 30%, and then China, of course, reciprocating that. So that has led to a little bit better market performance. Of course, we've talked about Moody's downgrade of the U.S. credit rating. That's continuing to cite some concerns over national debt and fiscal deficits, which will come through the rest of the year. And then small businesses. So small businesses are still beginning to struggle with tariffs. So a Goldman Sachs survey revealed that 36% of small businesses are already being impacted by tariffs, with 38% anticipating negative effects from that. Additionally, 81% report difficulty securing affordable capital, which is, of course, where we come from in Memphis, what we provide, where we fill in that gap. So personal finance updates. So auto loan surge linked to tariff fears. So consumers are accelerating car purchases in anticipation of higher prices due to tariffs, leading to a significant increase in auto lending. So that's going through right now. Something else on the housing market front. So housing market shows some mixed signals. I was going to say it was showing some signs of improvement, but it's kind of giving mixed signals. Single family housing reached a 3-year high in April. Existing home sales continue to slow. Mortgage rates have remained pretty elevated, and inventory levels are low, right? So you have this dichotomy between buyers and sellers. And right now you've got a lot of buyers coming into the market, but just not a lot of sellers. Some corporate news, 23andMe files for bankruptcy. So genetic testing company 23andMe filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in March, following a data breach affecting 7 million users and subsequent financial struggles. There was an initial bid by a company for $256 million of its assets, but a higher $305 million bid came from a TTAM Research Institute, which has reopened the auction. Walmart stock has continued to soar amid economic challenges. So Walmart stock rose 47% this week amidst economic challenges, leveraging its scale and focus on groceries, as well as attract price-sensitive consumers. And those are consumers that are also reaching the six-figure income realm. The company is expanding both online and physical stores, planning to open 150 more stores. So Walmart's actually looking to expand. And the last thing, which has been big this week, certainly in the last couple of days, has been the new rap beef between Elon Musk and President Donald Trump. So that sort of romance is sort of, at least on the surface, is sort of faded away. Once close collaborators, Elon Musk and President Trump have entered sort of a public feud. Musk has criticized the president for the One Big Beautiful bill, the Pee Wee Herman Playhouse Big Adventure bill that they put out. Labeling it a disgusting abomination due to its proposed $3 trillion increase in the federal deficit and cuts to electric vehicle EV incentives, which is what Musk really was concerned about for his own ass. In response, Trump threatened to terminate federal contracts with Musk companies, including Tesla and SpaceX. So, that's really what's going on this week, business and finance news. Now, let's get back to the conversation here in the room, Fanbase Finance.